13th hole at beautiful Spring Creek Golf Club. My name is Bill Fetter and you're watching Tips from the Course. The 13th hole is a great little par 3, fairly short, slightly downhill. It's a really fun hole. We've had a little bit of rain here, so the bunker that I'm in just short of the green is a little bit firmer, so you don't have as much fluffy sand to deal with. So I want to talk about how to handle that shot. On the 8th hole, we talked about using bounce. Well, that's the last thing you want to do right now, because effectively the sand is going to bounce the club for you. So if you add more bounce onto your club, the club's just going to bounce right off the sand into the golf ball and you'll hit a skull. So what you actually want to do is the opposite of adding a bounce, and that's taking it away. So you're going to take your club and actually toe it down, and the club's actually going to act more like a knife, and it's going to dig into the sand because the sand's really firm, it's kind of thick. So you got to get that club into the sand, and that's the easiest way, is just toeing it in just like that, and that's going to allow the club to dig instead of bounce. You still want to hit sand first. You don't want too much ball, really you don't want any ball contact. Just take all sand around the ball, and it's pretty much a standard bunker shot from there. So we're going to toe the club in, choke down just a touch, and I still want to take a couple inches of sand around the ball. And we can hit a nice bunker shot just like that. Thanks for watching Tips from the Course.